This is the Peeps String Art Kit tutorial by String Art by Kaylee. To make this design, you will need the String Art Kit, which can be ordered from my website. It will come with yarn bundles in your choice of color and little paint cups. You will also need a pair of scissors and a paintbrush or two. The very first thing you will do is remove the tape and the paper. Once those are removed, go ahead and grab the organza bag and remove everything from it, keeping that yarn bundle in hand. Find the strand that is wrapped around the middle of that yarn bundle and go ahead and unravel it. With that same strand, we will make a loop up in the air. This is how we will start our knot, and you'll just take that loop and tuck it onto any one of the nails and pull it tight. Make sure you push that knot down to the base of the nail. Next, we will outline the design so we can see exactly where we're going to fill in. Just like with the knot, make sure you push this outline all the way down to the base of the nails. The nails in place for the eyes and the nose, we're just going to pretend they're not even there and just string up all the outer nails. There's no certain way to do this. You can go in a pattern like I'm starting here, or you can jump all over. The point is just to fill in as much of the white as you want. Here's what I mean by jumping all over. There's not a certain way to do it, we're just filling it in. As you're stringing, you might encounter some knots in your yarn bundle. Just go ahead and untangle them and keep going. Once you are happy with how full it looks, you can see I did 4 or 5 layers here. We will go ahead and finish off with another outline. This just gives our design a nice clean look. This outline will be on the top of all of our layers. And then to tie off, I just take my scissors and cut the yarn a little bit longer so we can make our loop. And then again, we'll just tuck that loop onto any one of the nails and pull it tight. And then you can just trim this strand to about 1/2 inch or so, and then use the end of the scissors to tuck that little strand in between the layers to help hold that knot. Stringing is done. We'll go ahead and paint the nail heads. This step is just super simple. I just get some paint on my paintbrush and just dab them onto each nail head. Our Peep Kit is now finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.